Hello everybody, welcome back to your HTML CSS series. Alright, so I wanted to go over something I kind of forgot to explain in the first few videos, so I thought I would use it to help us understand what's going on here. So, what I'm going to be going over is known as comments. So comments, they are they're sent to the browser, so we can view them, but they don't show up on the web page. So I know that's confusing, but we put them when we need to explain something that's going on. So here's how you make a comment. So if you look closely, what we have is this line 12. On line 12 we have a less than sign, an exclamation mark, two hyphens or dashes, whatever you want to call it, and then we have the comment right here. So we can put whatever we want. And then if we save it and go to our page, refresh it, you can see we don't see it anywhere. But if we just put comment like that, well, look what happens. We can see it. So when you put it between these little comment openers and comment closers, it is not displayed on the page. So when you save, refresh, that's what's great about comments, is we can use it so when we are looking at our code 40 years from now, we can understand what's going on. Because when we're creating the code, it might all make sense, but after a while it starts to get confusing and you see all these opening tags and closing tags and you're not even sure what's trying to happen. So comments can come in very handy. So if you don't know this already, when you're on a website, you can right click, and I'm in Google Chrome. It might be a little bit different for the other browsers, but for Google Chrome, you can right click and click inspect. Actually, no. We can go to view page source. I'm pretty sure that's the same for all browsers, sorry. And you can view everything the website has. So all of this stuff is not secret. So don't put anything too significant in here that somebody could steal or something. Don't write your password on here and then put it on a website. But the comment, you can see, is still visible. So to viewers of your website, comments are visible. You just don't see them on the website itself. So if we, let's see it right here. Now we don't see it anywhere. We can highlight. It doesn't show up. It's not showed on the website. So that is how a comment works. So good commenting would be something like this. Up here we can go, alright, let's start a comment and then close a comment. And within here we could say, by the way, this is a multi-line comment, so you can put it over multi-lines. And also when you're programming with other programming languages such as JavaScript, PHP, those are going to have the most comments, where HTML is simply the basic stuff and is often developed by PHP. And basically, you will use PHP comments way more than HTML comments. But since we're using HTML, let's do this thing. We might say, this page is designed to show database users' names. Sorry, I don't know proper grammar here. Names. Would it be that? Oh shoot, I don't know. Is there supposed to be? Gosh, I stink at English. Let's figure out some other way to say. To show the database users in a table displaying name, age, and description. So that is the intent of our page, and that's exactly what it does. Then we could say, developed by Caleb Curry, or a company name, LLC, whatever, and you can say contact at Curry, and then put your email or whatever. And then you could say developed, what's the date? Let's see, I don't even know. Let's just make up a date. 4/57/95, which obviously is impossible. So this is an example of a bad comment. That's not how you want your comments to look. You want a date that actually exists, like the 6th. So this will be January, February, March, April 6th, 1995. And then we can comment this out. Alright. Table headers. First row. Just going to copy this, make it easier. Second row. Third row. Fourth row. And I mean, obviously you're not going to have to go through every single thing and write a comment about it, because once you figure out that this is a row, this is probably a row too, because it looks almost exactly the same. So as you can see, it doesn't go to the browser, so that's very useful when you need to comment something out, or if you're working on something and you're not sure if it's giving you an error or not, you can comment it out like this, and then you can see it disappears from your web page. But then when you need it back, you can just delete these comment markers, and boom, it's back. So that's pretty useful. That's really all I have to say about comments. Sorry if I rambled on a bit, but just wanted to get it clear in your brain. So in the next video, we'll be talking about, I think, links. So I will see you then. Thank you for watching, and subscribe.